So today I'm going to talk about visual panels within SharkWare. So what we see here first is an example of a cinema application. But additionally, what we can do is create multiple visual panels. Here we have an arena type example. And the purpose for visual panels is to provide a very user-intuitive interface for system adjustments. And what we can see is that if I choose a particular zone, I immediately have access to mute and gain control of the selected zone. Or if I need access to the additional controls available, I click this link, which takes me to the associated control group of that meter. And we then have access to input source selection, output settings, EQ, crossover for that specific group and all the associated amp channels.